Welcome to Expertisium Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us discuss a term called scheduling rules. Priority sales are used to decide which job will be processed next at the work center where several jobs are waiting to be processed. The jobs waiting for processing are sequenced using one of the many priority sequencing rules. It is assumed that the work center can process only one job at a time. A large number of sequencing rules are used in research and in practice to sequence the job waiting for processing at the work center. The common ones are the following, like FCSS, first come first serve. Jobs are processed in the order they arrive at the work center. The next one is SPT, shortest processing time. The job with the shortest processing time is processed first. This rule reduces work in process inventory, average job completion time, and average job lateness. EDD, which means earliest due date. This rule is useful when the goal is to reduce job lateness. The job with the earliest due date is processed first. The final one is critical ratio. A priority index is computed using the formula critical ratio due date minus today's. Thanks for watching. Bye.